Let's see how we can change our iPhone passcode using iCloud. Welcome back to another simple video, guys. If you don't have your iPhone on your, maybe you've lost it or it's stolen, or whatever the reason may be, then we'll show you how you can easily change your passcode using the iCloud on another phone or from your PC. The process is pretty simple, but make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. The very first step that we will do is to open the web browser on our other iPhone or Android, or you can even do this on PC. Just open any web browser of your choice and then you want to go over to iCloud.com. That is their official website, and when you open iCloud.com you just want to sign in with your Apple ID and password. Once you sign into iCloud you will see this page where we can scroll down until we get to these apps right here. We want to click on this Find My App, which should be green, and that's gonna open a list of all the Apple devices we have connected with this specific iCloud account. As you can see, I only have 2 iPhones in here. You want to select an iPhone on which you want to change the passcode, and you'll see this map with 3 different options. You'll want to click on this Erase iPhone option at the right side. Now keep in mind that this is the only way. They don't give us an option to remotely change our passcode on an iPhone, but we'll have to erase the iPhone completely. When you erase your iPhone, it will be back to its factory settings, but it will also erase all of the data that you have on your phone. When you gain access to it again, you can set a new passcode on your iPhone and then download all of your data, like contacts, photos and other stuff from the iCloud if you have the backup option enabled. But if you don't have a backup of your photos, videos, contacts and all that other stuff, then I suggest you don't erase your phone because you won't be able to recover all that data if you erase your iPhone. And that's the only method that we can remotely change the passcode on our iPhone. We'll have to erase the phone and then set a new passcode. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next one.